There are various ideas for taking a screenshot on your Windows PC. Let's talk about the first one. Print screen on your keyboard. This is one of the most common because it has been around since initial version of Windows. To take a screenshot, simply press the print screen key on your keyboard. You can't see the snapped screen unless you open some software and paste it in. I prefer Paint because this is one of the easiest way to save the screenshot taken by you. Simply go to Search, type Paint and open it. Click on Paste, or you can press the Ctrl+B simultaneously and save it anywhere you want it to be. Easy, right? Another way, you can snap your windows using Snipping tool. Press Windows S, type Snipping tool, open it, click New, and there you go. You can choose either to snap whole screen or drag and select desired area to snap it. After snapping, save it in your PC. There is another way, you just need to snap it and you don't even need any application to copy and paste and consume your time to save it manually. Just press and hold Windows button and press the print screen key on your keyboard. It makes a screenshot folder itself and saves in it. This one I'm gonna talk about is similar to the first one, but it automatically opens an app for you to further edit it and save it. To do that, press and hold Windows and Shift key and press the button S. On the top of Windows, it gives you a small pop-up menu where you can select the options to snap a screen. After snapping it, it opens a new app for you. Simply click on that and save it. This is it for now. Hopefully watching my video helped you at least a little. See you on next video. Thank you.